What's up guys, Joe Drake here with the Axiom Fitness Academy, and I just wanted to share a simple cue and tip when it comes to helping clients get and understand pelvic position. So when you guys have clients do exercises, let's say like a push-up or a rollout, this area right here, this LPHC, the hip complex, can become a problematic issue, right? Many people don't necessarily have adequate motion and control, but that's okay. Some of it's getting them into positions where there's less going on than during the exercise. So what I mean, let's take the push-up for example. If I come down and I have a client that's really struggling to keep their hips in a good position, right? Maybe in the push-up, they're down in this position, and that whole idea of trying to tuck their pelvis, it's not happening, right? You're cueing, you're trying to move their hips around, and sometimes that can do more bad than good, right? You frustrate the client, you get frustrated because they're not getting it. Sometimes it just means simplifying, right? So before you even take them into that position, let's get them down on the ground where they're unloaded from gravity. We don't have to worry about the upper body, and just see, can they push that lower back into the ground, right? Many times if you can get a client in this position, ask them just to push that lower back down to the ground. Okay, now all of a sudden they're able to make that connection between what you're trying to get them to do in the push-up and how that's supposed to feel. And then now you're able to say, okay, cool, that same feeling you just had, I want you to flip it back over, and we're gonna try to go for the same thing, right? Is it gonna work every single time? Maybe not, but sometimes it's nice to take some variables out of the equation when it comes to helping put them in the right position.